Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to Genting. Today is 19th of May 2019, 12:30. So as you see over here, my own ear is currently stuck, so I have no idea what to do next. And then I have not. It's very cold now. I didn't bring anyone close to me, so yeah. Okay, so we have around 10 minutes on the drive.
Ferrari.
We have just arrived to the place.
Black car.
No, you must go there and press and then come here one more, press and put about 3%. Just stop there. How I do? I try.
Okay, so okay, I'm back again with a new video right now. We have the same similarities. It's called the slippery road, guys. After a 4-minute drive. Oh.
Whoa.
Yo.
So we are going up.
Ice. Jump! Okay, stop this recording. We have just arrived at the place. My friends, welcome back to Genting Island Resort Hotel. So yeah, we are going up. Yeah, guys.
Wow, this boat so many cartoons.
This and game.
Con xin này sẽ game mò. Nhâm đi.
Okay, lucky I can bring this so we can play some of these. We are about to enter that. This place, my friends, is massive. there's a place that has a lot of 10 ringgit machine because of money. Let's play. No idea where to play, so yeah. We're gonna play that. Okay, let's play this one. We're going to take the most top one.
Last time when me and Gaga is here, we will choose the most broken box, the most thing. The more broken, the more good.
Okay, we don't play this machine by the way. We're going to change another machine. Okay, we're going to choose this one. Then. I just opened from the below. Thank you, Miss Cameraman, for helping me sponsor this video.
Cartoon hand fan.
It's a cartoon hand fan, my friends. You're going to get a cartoon hand fan. Thank you, Mr. Cameraman, for your second help. Okay, so. Hi, guys. Cartoon hand box.
Oh, malaga.
I don't know. Let's check it out later. 1 minute. Friends, I get this. A cartoon hand fan. Let's change. I change first. I started recording accidentally, so yeah. I don't know why I get a fan. I don't know why I'm still recording, but I get a fan. This, my friends, is called a capsule machine that has these bars, and each of these contains a price. So we're going to test it out. So each of these costs 10 ringgit. 10 ringgit. So if it is to choose which one, yeah. Seriously? Okay, we're going to crack this ball out. Oh, I done it. Then put the ball. So we got a diary book.
Anyone borrow phone?
Got the diary book. This diary book. Oh, there's a terms and condition. I don't know.
Return. Return they come out only.
So let's go and I go and what first? I get a diary book, my friends. A diary book. Let's go and see and change it one more time. So yeah. Diary book.
Hey, you know it.
So I got this one. We got this thing. It's a diary book. From travel diary book. With a lock and a same key from the toys. So let's put it in our OIC bag.
Come.
What?
The camera inside.
Where? Also. I haven't played one more game. The final thing I would like to spend, that's wrong. I would like to spend one more is this. So last time I get one SpongeBob, now I get this one. This guy.
Yeah. After all the person you can pick, you pick that one.
It doesn't eat my money.
I wish all my money I left you.
We're going to choose another side.
Hey, you have to pay 10 ringgit box for those.
I already play, so
I said 10 ringgit box.
already.
I mean, it's not paper one.
Okay, so my friends, I have got the invisible. I don't know what's the movie name already, but yeah, I got this.
Thank you.
Okay, it's stuck. So we're going to put in our OIC bag once again. So what you see in this bag was 30 ringgit. So yeah, actually that's
I used how much already?
I used 30 ringgit. It's like quite rusty. Okay, it's recording. You know what? I feel I want to play this one more time. So yeah, insert my bill. Oh, it works this time. So this time we're going to use the ugly, this one. Both side and you, Mr. Cameraman, help me hold once again, and I will open the box once again. Sleeping goggles. Googles or Googles and Googles. I don't care anyway. So once again, we're going to put this in our OIC bag. So let's go and give me back this thing, and then we're going to change. Okay, let's go. Follow me. Go and I will open.
Oh, you also take sleeping mask?
Yes. That. This one. Not sleeping, just thinking. So yeah, I got a sleeping mask. So we got a sleeping mask for just 10 ringgit. We're gonna put in our OIC bag once again. So I think inside here will go 50 ringgit because they are my mom was too. So yeah, my voice is still rusty. Hey guys, sorry that I didn't record you. I just get this cable from this one, and then you have to choose ABCD, and then yeah. Okay guys, so after a few minutes, I just go to the toilet and so let's take some angles over here for the thumbnail. Because we need some thumbnail for our thumbnail video. So now, let's go to somewhere. Look at the domestic view. By the way, I really already attended last time that I said that on the 1st of May, I post on Instagram something that I will not attempt to do this, right? I did it. I will not attempt to do it. Actually, I can't.
anything.
Thanks.